Hi, this is Alison from iCubic. Today I'm glad to show you how easy it is to charge a Tesla Model Y with our Wallbox EV Charger. And let's take a closer look. Check out this specially designed light strip. It looks amazing at night, and the charger itself is compact and fancy, which is perfect for your home. This particular unit delivers up to 7 kilowatts of charging power. Once powered on, you can see the screen light up, which means that it's ready for use. To charge your vehicle, simply plug the connector into the vehicle. After connecting to your vehicle, we need to activate the unit. This particular unit uses a card for activation. After tapping the card, we are authorized and it gets to work. We also offer customized options like app-based control for extra convenience. So as the charging process begins, we can see the charging status on the screen. Like the first line shows how long it has been charged, the second line shows the power consumption. Also, on your EV's screen, you can see the charging speed and the estimated time remaining to reach a full charge. That's all I wanted to show you, and thanks for watching.